Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of cooking with the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet with red silicone hot handle holder. A kitchen essential that's 10.25 inches in diameter and built to last for generations. This skillet is seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, ensuring a natural, easy-release finish that only gets better with use, making it perfect for searing, sautéing, baking, broiling, braising, frying, or grilling. With its unparalleled heat retention and even heating, this cast iron skillet is at home in the oven, on the stove, on the grill, or even over a campfire, and it works great with induction cooktops too. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is not just about performance, it's about heritage, crafted in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, where Lodge has been perfecting cast iron cookware since 1896. Easy to care for, simply hand wash, dry, and rub with cooking oil to maintain its quality and durability. The addition of a red silicone hot handle holder makes it safer and more comfortable to handle, while the assist handle offers extra support when lifting. Experience the timeless quality and versatility of Lodge, a brand synonymous with high-quality design and lifetime durability. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.